Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're coming to you with another new and exciting product from the team here at Speedwerx. Really excited about this one. Been in the works for quite a while. It's our lightweight spring cup for the Team Boss and Adapt secondary clutches. It's about 0.6, a little bit more than 0.6 pounds lighter than stock. When you feel it and you compare it, it's laughable. It's crazy how much weight they got packed into that thing. Once again, for the Team Boss, so 2016 and newer, and then the Adapts, which came in 2022. This is both snow and like the Wildcat XX's. It's a great part, easy way to take out a huge amount of rotating weight off your machine. So improved throttle response, acceleration, and just, less rotating weight. When you think these machines are spinning 8,000 plus RPM and they're going up and down and up and down, just a huge, easy way to remove a ton of rotating mass there. See, they're CNC machined out of billet aluminum here right at Speedwerx. And then we do a hard anodize and a gold anodize on them, just so they're a little bit tough, a little bit more rugged, and then they got a sweet look to them as well. You can replace with your stock rollers. There's an asterisk on that part. They'll only work with the stock rollers for like the 2022 and newers. They went to a slightly larger diameter on the pin for strength purposes, so we followed that. If you don't have the right rollers or you're not sure if you have the right rollers, we do. And then we have this really slick bearing grade roller we've been using now for the past handful of years. And they're really slippery. They roll really well. They work really, really well. We've been really, really happy with them. But anyways, the spring cup itself retails for $139.95. Like I said, it only works with the 2022 and newer stock rollers because the pin diameter is just a little bit larger on here. If you don't think you have the right rollers, we have the rollers for you. And then you'll run one of these. You'll want to run one of these Delrin washers in between the spring and the top part here, and that's just so the spring can't catch in all these lightning holes. That's what that's there for. So the spring can be in there, and then it's less likely to bind up and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty straightforward. 100% made in the USA, made right here at Speedwerx, right across here at the shop in the machine shop. Retail for $139.95. 0.6 or 0.6.5 pounds lighter than stock. Super easy way to remove a ton of rotating weight off your sled. If you guys have any questions, let us know.